Hey yo guys, it's your boy Blurksy. As you guys can see, I am playing White Noise. To heard it's a pretty freaky game. So yeah, let's see what happens. Yo, look at this. Look, I just start the game and I walk up to this nigga. Illuminati confirmed. Another one? Okay, okay. I am playing in the dark right now, and I'm with a friend. I'm actually in a party with one of my friends. You know, I actually hate this because it's pretty freaky. But yeah. I don't know, this is actually it's pretty weird. Look at that, man. Another one? Illuminati confirmed. Let's go, dude. If we hit... Yeah, this nigga pops out right here, I'm out. Dashboard. Yo. Okay, I just went inside a cave. I don't know where to go now. What the hell is... Hey, what the hell is that, man? I don't know what that is, dude. I don't know what that is. Okay, whatever, though. Let's move on. Oh, I see the windmill. Let's go. How do we, like... Can we, like... Oh, okay, then I found the house. Sorry, I forgot. Let's go. Yo, dude, why am I even playing this type of game? And about that life. Got one. What the hell is that? Oh, God. Oh, it's just a windmill. But yeah, if you guys haven't seen my previous video, talking about my dual dodge, so hope we do reach 100 soon. But yeah. Run, nigga, run. They want to take your J's. Run, nigga. Okay. Coast is clear. Why, dude? Why am I playing this game? Oh, fun house. Let's go. Dude, there better be a tape recorder in here. Yo, Spacer, you ready to hit the... I'm gonna hit this 725. Nah, just kidding. It's all about the 1080s. Why am I playing this game? Why? Oh well, doing it for you guys. Let's go. Come on. Come on. We gotta find another one. We already found two. I wonder what's harder. What do you think is harder, Space? This? Why know you're slender? Come on, where's he at? Oh my gosh, I hate that dude. Oh my god, nigga stalking me, dude. Run, 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 run. He's gonna take your J's, nigga. Is he gone? Yes. Leave. Oh my god, what the frick, dude? Come on, get off my junk. Yo, I'm scared. Jesus, dude, go. Yeah. Dude, why are you standing there, dude? You're such a little... Is he gone? He's gone. Oh, God, dude. Oh my God, why am I even playing this game? No. Why, dude? Why am I even playing? I'm done. Nope. I'm out. I'm out. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm done. Nope. I thought he was gone. I turned on my flashlight because I thought he would leave. Nope. I'm out, dude. I got the goosebumps. I hope you guys did enjoy that video. Please like, comment, subscribe.